Financial freedom isn't about getting rich quick, it's about control. Research study found that only 45% of young adults are fully financially independent from their parents. But with habits like consistent saving and investing, you can join the 67% who feel optimistic about making it. Each day builds on the last, drawing from psychology research on goal setting and behavioral finance. We'll use SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to make it stick. By day 7, you'll have a roadmap. Day 1. Assess your financial situation. Ever feel like your money vanishes into thin air? A recent global perspective highlights that millions worldwide carry credit card balances. Don't become one without understanding the reasons. Today, we audit everything with few action steps. Action step 1. Calculate your net worth. List assets, savings, car and home, minus liabilities, debts and loans. Use a free app like Mint or a spreadsheet. Research shows that people around the world define financial security as an annual income equivalent to $169,000 on average across surveyed countries, but start by knowing your baseline. Action step 2. Track 1 month's income and expenses. Categorize needs, wants, savings. A Federal Reserve study reveals 55% of adults have 3 months emergency savings. Aim to join them. Why it works. Psychology research from the University of Oregon shows assessing your situation builds motivation for change. Spend 30 to 60 minutes today. It's your foundation. Day 2. Set your financial goals. What if your goals could rewire your brain for success? Behavioral finance shows unrealistic goals lead to overwhelm, but small wins build habits, reducing failure by 40% according to University of Chicago studies. Action steps. 1. Define freedom. According to research from Texas County and District Retirement System, true financial freedom means living below your means while building multiple income streams. Start by setting 3 to 5 SMART goals. For example, build a $1,000 emergency fund within the next 3 months. Action steps 2. Prioritize your goals. Organize your objectives by time horizon. Short term, for example, pay off $500 in debt. Medium term, for example, save for a car. And long term, for example, retire at age 55. Action steps 3. Visualize success. Create a vision board, physical or digital, or set up app reminders of your goals. Positive psychology research links this practice to reduced stress and stronger, more sustained motivation. Day 3. Create a budget. Budgets cut overspending dramatically. Fight inflation head-on. Action steps 1. Choose your system. 50, 30, 20 or zero-based. Every dollar assigned. Action steps 2. Track with YNAB, Excel or apps. Include 2026 realities, higher groceries, irregular bills. Action steps 2. Slash leaks. First, subscriptions, impulse buys. Average waste adds up fast. Day 4. Tackle debt. Debt holds millions back. Action steps 1. List non-mortgage debts, smallest to largest, snowball for wins, or highest interest, avalanche. Action steps 2. Negotiate rates, consolidate if possible. Rates are elevated, but opportunities exist. Action steps 3. Redirect budget extras here. Even $100 per month speeds payoff. Day 5. Emergency and goal savings. Only approximately 55% have 3 months savings according Fed reports. Don't be in the vulnerable majority. Action steps. 1. Open a high-yield savings account. Top rates hit 4 to 5% annual percentage yield against national average approximately 0.4 to 0.6%. Action steps 2. Automate. Pay yourself first transfers. Start with $1,000 starter fund, then 3 to 6 months expenses. Action steps 3. Set up sinking funds for known bills, vacations, car maintenance. Day 6. Increase income. Side hustles add over $100,000 for 7 to 8% of gig workers. Action steps 1. Inventory skills. Freelance writing, $107 per day, or marketing, $150 per day, according to 2025 research. Action steps 2. Start small, Uber, TaskRabbit, or dropshipping. Day 7. Start investing basics. Historic S&P 500 returns approximately 10% annually. $200 per month, invested compounds powerfully over time. Action steps 1. Open low-fee brokerage, Vanguard or Fidelity, index funds and ETFs for broad exposure. Action steps 2. Automate small contributions, beat inflation. Action steps 3. Focus long-term, diversify and long-term hold. Educate through free resources. You've got the plan, now execute. Assess, goal set, budget, debt bust, save, earn more and invest. Research proves consistency wins. 67% feel empowered with plans. Track weekly, adjust monthly. Surveys show people with clear systems feel far more in control.